Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the interior seats of the Toyota Land Cruiser LC300, focusing on comfort, luxury, and premium quality in a 0-meter, brand-new condition. As soon as you step inside the LC300, the first thing that grabs your attention is the high-quality leather seats. Toyota has designed these seats to deliver both luxury and long-lasting comfort. In a 0-meter vehicle, the seats feel completely fresh, with a smooth leather finish and perfectly aligned stitching that reflects premium craftsmanship. Let's start with the front seats. Both the driver and passenger seats are wide, well-cushioned, and designed to provide excellent body support. Whether you're driving in the city or going on a long road trip, these seats help reduce fatigue and keep you relaxed throughout the journey. The power-adjustable seat controls allow you to easily find your ideal driving position. The perforated leather design is not just for looks. It also improves airflow, making the seats more comfortable in hot weather conditions. This feature is especially useful in warmer climates, where seat ventilation plays a big role in overall comfort. Now moving to the rear seats, the LC300 truly delivers a VIP experience. The rear seating area offers generous legroom and headroom, making it perfect for long-distance travel. Passengers in the back enjoy premium leather seats, a foldable center armrest, and integrated cup holders, adding both comfort and convenience. In 0-meter condition, you'll often notice protective plastic covers on the seats, which confirm that the vehicle is completely brand new and untouched. This detail is important for buyers who value originality and showroom-fresh condition. The interior color options, such as beige or black leather, enhance the overall cabin atmosphere. Combined with soft-touch door panels and premium materials throughout the interior, the LC300 feels refined, elegant, and built for luxury. Overall, the Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 interior seats are designed for drivers and passengers who expect comfort, durability, and premium quality in one package. Whether it's daily driving or long highway journeys, these seats ensure a smooth and relaxing experience every time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.